Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another vlog today. Just kind of staying at home, lounging in the PJs, doing some chores. So right now, I'm doing, can you hear it? Washer and dryer, both going. Look at the floor. We're getting there. Still got the load of whites. And then we got this load right here to go. And then laundry is all caught up with. We're gonna wash the bathroom completely. Work on the kitchen. I know I always do vlogs of me cleaning the house and then in a couple months it's destroyed again. So I apologize about that. But the real disaster is my beauty room. Look at that disaster. So all that needs to be cleaned, all that, it all just needs to be cleaned. So this is going to be my big project today, and I figured I would vlog it with you guys. Ooh, it got dark. But first, I am going to have some breakfast. Wow, my loads are going. I will film a beauty video today. Oh, also, if you guys saw and you were wondering why I got two random food packaging, we had this last night. It's the Trader Joe's rice cauliflower stir fry with the vegetable spring rolls. Both are vegan. I think I mentioned it before, but we do not live anywhere close to a Trader Joe's. Our closest Trader Joe's is 40 minutes away. But my stepdad goes grocery shopping at Trader Joe's every 2 to 3 weeks. And he lives like 15 minutes away from where we work. So we figured it'd be a good option. I talked to them last night. They said if there was things that we wanted picked up at Trader Joe's that we really liked, they would pick it up for us and we would just pay them back, which makes me happy. So I think this morning for breakfast I'm going to have a yogurt parfait, vegan of course, and yeah, that sounds really good, so I think I'm gonna do that and I'll come back. Alright, so this is my breakfast. I just use the Daya strawberry Greek yogurt alternative. And I added a tablespoon of chia seeds and a tablespoon of flaxseed. And then I put raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and bananas on it. And this is the strawberry flavor. I also have blueberry flavor and black cherry. I actually had a small taste of this. This is my first time trying the Daya yogurt, and it's actually pretty good. So, excited about that. And I'm going to go eat this bad mamma jamma. So I ate breakfast, and while I was eating breakfast, I edited a video and started the process of uploading it. It is a one brand tutorial on Wet n Wild. You guys know I love Wet n Wild, so I'm very excited for you guys to see this video. But yeah. Just switched over the laundry, so that's going. And yeah, I really don't want to do anything, but I need to get this house cleaned. So I think I might actually start with the beauty room. That way I can film beauty videos and not have an embarrassing background. Okay. So, like I said, this is before. Yeah, that was for the photo I did for the full face of Wet n Wild. My wig's on the floor. Can't wait to get a wig stand for that. But yeah, I forgot to put that in the picture. Dang it. Oh well, that's fine. There's still plenty in the picture to where you guys get the point. So yeah, let's get into it, I guess. Quick update. So this is how the makeup section looks so far. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And then I got those trash bags out. That little pile of t-shirts right there is Christmas gifts. Got these books that I got out. This is a little donation pile. This is all the trash. Curtains that I need to figure out where to go. But then I'm going to go through that whole bookshelf, get rid of all the cookbooks because none of them are vegan. So they're literally just going to sit there forever. And yeah. And so I love my mother-in-law. Look at all these shoes. I love these combat boots, just saying. And these are going to be backup work sneakers. But yeah. So far, so good. Could be a lot worse. Could be a lot better. But I'm sorry I'm not really showing you the process of doing it. But like when I'm cleaning, I really need noise. So I listen to YouTube on my phone. Oh, and I reorganized all the perfumes because my mother-in-law gave me some more. And I reorganized all the nail polishes because I got 13 for my birthday. So yeah. That's how it's looking so far. I am going to take a quick break so I can have some lunch, and we'll be back. I'm going to keep lunch very simple today. I'm going to have these vegetable burritos from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to dip that in this Trader Joe's salsa verde. Really, really good. And that's basically going to be my lunch. If I think I need more, I'll let you guys know. But I'm very, very excited. This has organic black beans, corns, and tomatoes. Although trying to cook it is going to be a little bit of a process if I want to do it in the microwave. How about the oven? Okay, I think I might do oven because it'll take longer, but it's going to be a little bit simpler than trying to do it in the microwave. So, yeah, that's going to be my lunch, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so this is my lunch. These are the burritos. They came out fantastic. This is some leftover of the cauliflower stir fry from Trader Joe's. And that's just the salsa verde. There was plenty of leftover from last night, so I just did a cup of that with the burritos and the salsa verde. And it's so good. Guys, whoever said eating vegan was difficult, they lied to you. They lied.